which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. These out rooms are available online. You can book them online. Provided in the description. Or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your